What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about my new headband wig and hair color. Like, isn't it nice? But yeah, so pretty much it's like a new year, new hair color. I've planned on dabbling in different colored wigs this year. Like, I'm not coloring my real hair, but I will be trying out different colors this year. So if you would like to see the specs on this wig and all the good stuff, please keep on watching. I know the transition is crazy to just see me with that wig and then see me with just braids, but let's go ahead and talk about this wig. It was sent to me by a company called NIAWIGS. They have a huge assortment of headband wigs. Like, headband wigs are just everything right now. From the ending of 2020 when I tried my first one, it changed my life. And this one is not any different. This time around I wanted to go with color and for it to be straight. If you guys haven't seen my last headband wig video, I'm gonna link it down below. But yeah, this one's a straight wig. It's 20 inches and it's in this, what they call like an ash brown. I'll leave all the specs and everything about this wig down below. This wig came cutely packaged with a dust bag in a box and everything. Like, this is probably one of the nicest wigs that I own. Even though it's a headband wig, look at the color job, like the blend. It's beautiful. Even though it's dyed, the hair doesn't feel like heavily damaged or anything like that. The wig did come styled out of the box, but it was curls and I just wanted to wear the hair straight, so I just washed it. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys the construction of it. It is a headband wig, so there is a headband. Like I was saying, like, this is one of the nicer wigs that I have. From the other wigs that I've tried, the headband feels a little cheaply made, but this one doesn't at all whatsoever. Even from the Velcro strap is nicer than the last wig that I had. It comes with 2 clips in the front so you can secure it, and then 1 clip at the nape. And like every other wig, like, it has these little straps to adjust it and make it tighter. Oh yeah, and it does have this clip in the front. When it comes to headband wigs, I feel like your braids should be a little looser or your hair should be in a ponytail. I have my hair in these, they're not really tiny, but they're more tiny than I'm accustomed to because I am putting on like a lace wig after this, I think. Yeah. So yeah, I like to leave a little bit of my baby hairs out. And let me put the wig on, secure it in the back. When you buy your wig from NIAWIGS, they do send headbands. This is one of the ones that I got. I think I got like an assortment of like 4. I gave some to my mom, so I have this one and another one. And they also allow you to pick what style you want, which is different. Most companies just give you whatever they want. And now I'm just pushing in the clips. And I just make sure that I cover up my band. Now I'm just gonna detangle. I'm using a comb from my brand 7 Mia. It's like the perfect detangler. I like to like just throw this in my purse. It doesn't take up any space. It's better than like throwing a whole brush in my purse. It doesn't take up any space and it's also really cute. I'll leave a link down below if you guys would like to check it out. Okay, so this is the wig. And what I love about it is like full all the way to the roots. I still want to cut it a little bit though, just so it can have like a blunt end. Another benefit of the headband wig is that you could wear it in a ponytail. I've done that once, but let's go ahead and try it out. In order to do the ponytail, you do need to have a headband like this one that covers the band. Depending on the construction of your headband wig, you might be able to use it without the actual headband. This is in a ponytail. The last ponytail I wore it in was a little bit lower than this because I had on like a hat, but I'm gonna take this and turn it into a bun. Okay, so here it is styled in a bun. Of course, you could be a lot more neater. I'm not wearing it in a bun, so I didn't really take my time with it, but you could get a pretty cute bun with it if you didn't want to have like the hair all up in your face. Like, you can put it up. I just love how it looks down the most. I only really wear it in ponytails when I want to wear a hat. These headband wigs are like the perfect addition for like times right now, especially with a lot of us being in quarantine and can't really leave your house. Like, if you're a girl that normally can't style her own hair, like this would be the perfect alternative. Like, you literally just slap it on your head and you're good to go for all those Zoom meetings that you guys are doing right now. Like, this would be perfect to just slap on your head, because lace wigs take up a lot of work and it takes technique and it's not easy and it has upkeep, and you have to make sure that lace is laid every day, and that's just one of those things that I don't have the patience for, honestly. So I strongly recommend headband wigs. You guys should at least have one, try it out, and I highly recommend NIAWIGS. I wasn't expecting it to be so nice. But yeah guys, that wraps up today's video. Let me know if you have any headband wigs in your collection and how much do you guys like them, because I'm telling you, it changed the game for me. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.